So guys, today I have two AI training sites that I want to share with you, and the first one that I want to start with is this one for those people who are based in India, Bangladesh and Pakistan. So they can try this job. It requires English speakers, and your work will be to annotate AI, and then you'll just come and pass through this description where you are going to join, what you are going to do, okay? And then you come and see the project breakdown over here, and then the requirements. You can see they are saying that you're supposed to reside in those specific countries I've mentioned above, okay? And then you come over here and also check the payment details that have been given. Yeah, they are saying payment details will be shared upon completion. Okay, so you'll also come over here how you'll get started, okay? And then also pass through that important note, okay? And then they're also claiming here that they are paying $18 per hour, okay? I don't know if it is true, but once they accept you on board, they are going to tell you, okay? So you just click over here, apply for this job, and then once you come over here, you are going to attach your CV over here. You fill your personal information like name, email, phone, current location, current company if you are working for a certain company at the moment, your LinkedIn URL if you have it. If you don't have, just write NA, not applicable. And then you come over here and fill these application questions that have been given over here, okay? And then you also come over here, you write a good cover letter, and then you come and paste it over here. And then once you're done, you just come over here, pass through their privacy policy, and then you tick over here, and then you submit the application. And then the email that you have used, you track it. So in case your application is accepted, they are going to contact you through that email I've used over here, okay? So guys, if you are from those listed countries, I have said India, Bangladesh and Pakistan, please try this opportunity, okay? The site name is CrowdGen. So you'll just find on Google CrowdGen, go to where projects are, and then it's going to appear as the first project on the list, okay? Now I want to move to the second site that I wanted to share with you, and the name of the site is Meridial AI. And as you can see, this is how the homepage looks like once you open it. And then you're also going to see the featured projects over here. If any of these jobs maybe aligns with your interest, maybe you can apply over here, okay? And if you don't see any that aligns with your interest, then you'll scroll down, and then you can see all the projects are listed over here, okay? And then these boxes, you can use them to sort the jobs that you want, okay? So even if I scroll here down, you can see these are different languages that you can sort with, okay? And you can also sort by location, either United Kingdom or worldwide, okay? So I understand that most people are from different regions of the world, so you can just click over here, worldwide. Sorry, just let me just repeat again. I'll just click over here, worldwide, and then for example, if I want to apply like which one, like this one of general operations specialist, I'll just click over here. And then something that you're supposed to note, even if they say worldwide, just come and check the country that has been listed, okay? This one is for United States of America, okay? So if I want to apply for this one, if I'm based in USA, I'm just going to pass through this description very well to understand what this job wants, okay? And then after that, I just come over here and then I fill my personal information, okay? I'm going also to see the payment. This one claims to pay $8.50 per hour. And then you upload your LinkedIn profile, then click over here, yes, and then you submit your application, okay? So guys, this site is called Meridial, and you can see the jobs are very many. I haven't scrolled and showed you all the jobs that are on this site. So let me just scroll again. You see, you can see the jobs are very many, okay? Maybe you can find one that works for you, okay? People might ask me, can they use the proxies and VPN? Well, I really can't tell someone to use or not to use. It just depends on with your interest, okay? If you think it's going to work on your side, then who am I to refuse you to use, okay? So it's your choice, okay? And something else, guys, is that I'm going to be sharing these sites more often, okay? So if you're new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe so that you'll be among the first to receive my content, okay? You understand that these jobs sometimes are first come first get, okay, or first come first serve. I don't know how it is said. So try to hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be among the first to be notified. And also I'm going to share another site tomorrow, so please stay aware. So see you on the next video, guys. Bye.